Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to make a contribution. It's a two-step process, but before we get into that, you first want to make sure you're eligible to make a contribution. If you're unsure, please consult with a CPA or go to the IRS's website. Once you confirm you can, the first step is to work with your bank to have the funds sent to us. So you can send us a check, ACH, or wire. If you are sending an ACH or a wire, what you want to do is log into your online portal. Scroll down, look for the quick links box. Then you want to look for delivery instructions here in the bottom right corner. And this is what the instructions look like. So sometimes you can use your bank app to send us the funds via ACH or wire. But if you're unsure, please contact your bank to see how you can send it, if you can use the app or send it online, or if you have to physically go to the bank. So going back, you then want to submit a contribution request. This is the second step. So to do that, you want to look for the quick links box again, click fund account, select your account, select contribution, select next, designate the year you want the contribution to be made in, enter the amount of the contribution, specify if the funds are being sent via ACH, check, or wire, enter the sender's name, typically it's just yourself, and click submit. And there you have it. You submitted a contribution request. So once we receive the funds, we will tie those funds to this contribution request and deposit them. I hope this helps. Thank you.